Hey guys, I'm back to another quick form video. In today's video, I have some exciting news for you guys. There's a new phone now available on Boost Mobile's website, and of course, available for purchase. So let's go ahead and take a look and see if it's actually worth buying and reviewing and unboxing for you guys. So if you go through boostmobile.com currently, this is where you can find it first. I'm pretty sure it's probably available in some stores like, authorized dealers or even some Walmarts. But let's go through boostmobile.com. You go to all phones right now. Scroll down, guys. It's right here on the top first 3 phones that you can choose from. It is called an LG Tribute Royal. So yes, guys, there is a lot of LG tributes now. There's LG Tribute, the LG Tribute Dynasty, LG Tribute HD. So there's a couple different. This one is the Royal, of course. Right now, Boost Mobile currently has it on sale for $110, guys. But you can actually save $30 off of it. Currently, because it's on sale through boostmobile.com, you can get it at $80, which usually is about the price that you can find it at Walmart either way. But pretty cool. You can get it at $80 if you want right now. So far, no ratings. As you can see, it's 0 stars. The phone just came out, I believe, either yesterday or today. It's the first time that I'm seeing it. So let's go ahead and see what we get for about $80. So it says, now, I must remind you guys that for $80, it will be budget specs. As you can see, some of the budget specs here, and I'll tell you a little bit after I'm done reading some of these specs what I think about it. So it says, carve your own path with the LG Tribute Royal. Wherever you go, whatever you want, whatever you do, this pocket-sized device will keep up every step of the way. Sleek, light, and seamless to use. There's nothing that will slow you down. It's stocked with all the essentials, plus a thoughtful selection of photography features that captures life in action. The 5.45-inch HD Plus display is the perfect size to scroll through your feed or games on the go. And convenient AI tools make life tasks a cinch. Go your own way. The LG Tribute Royal is yours. Wow. Bold claims for a phone like this. And before we go on, like I said, this phone currently is on sale for $30 off. So it's a good way to save some money. Another good way to save some money is through our sponsor. So Honey is a free web browser extension that will find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic to save even more. This will be in the description below, guys. It's free to download and install. And when you make your first purchase, I do get a small commission, so that helps the channel bring more information. Like I said, I have saved some money, like $40 on the Samsung A20 and different other phones that way. So check it out. So back to this, guys. Let's look at some quick specs here. So this screen, like I said, is a 5.45-inch display. I'm guessing it's going to be like a 720 display. The camera is 8 megapixels on the back. I'm guessing the front's going to be like a 5. 20 hours of talk time, which is not the best, but not that bad, I guess. Storage, this is something that I don't like. 16 gigabytes of internal memory. Like I said, guys, going into almost 2020, 16 gigabytes on a smartphone is not acceptable anymore. It really is not, even for $80. I mean, you can find some phones for about $80 or $100 and get 32 gigs. So this phone does rock 9.0 Android Oreo. So not Oreo, 9.0 Pie, my bad. Geez, I don't know where I'm getting all these different things. I'm thinking about some other stuff, but yes, 9.0. So my bad for that. Long day at work. So it says just the right size. The 5.45-inch HD Plus display is perfectly portable while offering a quality view from anywhere. Okay. Now this is some different features. It says built to last. Wow, this phone actually looks a little cheap, to tell you the truth. Put to 14 military grade test. This device is made to withstand drops, extreme weather, and daily wear. Wow. I mean, if we look at this phone, I mean, it doesn't look that durable, to tell you the truth. It looks like it's probably made out of plastic, So it looks like on the left side you have your volume up and volume down, and maybe that's the power button, and that's where the SIM card and memory card will go. But I mean, nothing really special. Wow. One thing that I must say, so this looks here like it's the power button over here. I'm guessing that button right there. See how there's 3 buttons, volume up, volume down. That's probably going to be your Google Assistant button right there. So it's pretty cool. Wow. So that's a cool feature that this phone does have. Just looking at it right now. So I don't know. Let's look at the images. It says quickly capture each moment with rapid shutter speed so you can catch the action as it unfolds. Wow, so that's gonna be kind of cool to have, you know. And then here we go at the specs. So wow, the battery is actually pretty big. Out of everything, I think the best thing of this is probably the battery. It's a 3,000 milliamp battery, which is pretty nice actually. Talk time up to 20 hours. The battery's non-removable, guys. So here it is, 2 gigabytes of RAM with 16 gigabytes of ROM, so 16 gigs of internal storage. Wow, look at this. This is weird. Supports external micro SD card up to 32 gigabytes. I haven't seen that in a while. What most will say, like, you know, like 120 gigs or 250 or something, but 32 gigabytes. That's kind of low now. And like I said, this is just, I don't know what I think about this phone, man. It does have MediaTek MT6762 2.0 gigahertz octa-core. So I mean, it's I guess it's all right. And then of course Android 9.0 Pie. Like I said, you have to look at that 8 megapixel rear facing camera with a 5 megapixel front facing camera with portrait mode. So at least it does have portrait mode, but 5 megapixels. I don't know. I don't think you're gonna get much, good quality out of it. Then of course the display, like I said, 5.45 HD plus display with an 18:9 aspect ratio. So this phone does have that 18:9, so it's gonna be kind of long. And then there's the dimensions, and then Bluetooth 5.0, which is pretty good, and does have a headphone jack. So what do you guys think, guys? For $110 before it being on sale is a little kind of steep, but for $80, I guess if you need something quick, who knows? Let me know in the comments of what you think. Should I go ahead and get this phone and unbox it and review it and all that stuff? Are you guys interested, or is this enough for you guys? Let me know. I'll be gladly to get it. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and stay tuned for a lot more content. Thank you.